Incredible moments of nature and human ingenuity, caught on camera. Welcome to a captivating journey through some of the most awe-inspiring and unique moments captured on film. From spectacular landscapes and close encounters with wildlife to engineering marvels and nature's unpredictable forces, these visuals showcase the beauty and complexity of our world. Let's dive into the story behind each moment and why these experiences leave us speechless. Breathtaking workspaces with incredible views. Imagine working with a view that stretches beyond the horizon, filled with stunning landscapes that seem straight out of a dream. This setup isn't just for show. These workers often operate in isolated or challenging environments, making their breathtaking surroundings even more special. From mountaintops to deep oceans, these spaces offer a fresh reminder of the beauty that nature holds. A daily visual treat few of us are lucky enough to experience. Amazing wildlife encounters, birds and beyond. Watching birds soar across open skies, navigating vast landscapes, is a humbling experience. For some, these majestic creatures are daily companions, a part of their workspace. Observing these birds close up reminds us of the freedom and natural instincts that govern wildlife, offering insight into an entire ecosystem operating outside of human intervention. Close-up views, moments that demand a double take. Sometimes you get lucky and spot something magical from close range. Moments like a majestic animal grazing within a few feet or a stunning cloud formation rolling across the sky provide those unforgettable experiences. From quarter-mile proximity encounters with animals to powerful thunderstorms seen up close, these rare views allow us to connect with the raw and powerful side of nature. Crowded train scenes, a different perspective on rush hour. The daily commute can be frustrating, but consider the reality of overcrowded trains in places like Bangladesh. In scenes where hundreds of people cling to the roofs and sides of train cars, we see resilience and adaptability. This scenario pushes the boundaries of what many of us would consider possible or safe, painting a picture of how people overcome challenges in densely populated areas. Observing from afar, the best vantage point. Some things are best observed from a safe distance, like volatile ocean waves crashing against cliffs or a blazing wildfire. Being able to appreciate the scale and power of such phenomena from afar gives us respect for nature's unpredictability. Looking from a distance sometimes allows us to fully appreciate what would be dangerous or overwhelming up close. Planetary landscapes, natural scenery that looks unreal. Certain places on Earth appear almost otherworldly. Think of vast deserts with unending dunes, glowing salt flats, or mountain ranges that seem to touch the clouds. These areas, with their dramatic scenery and surreal beauty, feel as if they've been placed on our planet by a cosmic artist, each landscape offering something unique and entirely captivating. Underwater rescue, an octopus in need of a home. Sometimes, even a small act can mean everything to a creature in distress. An octopus found itself trapped in a discarded plastic cup, a reminder of the impact of human waste on marine life. Fortunately, a diver came to the rescue, helping it find a more suitable hiding place. This encounter highlights both the fragility of sea life and the importance of protecting these delicate ecosystems. A dazzling, but failed, launch space launches are ambitious projects that showcase human ingenuity. Despite the failure of one particular rocket launch, the spectacle of it was still magnificent. The powerful visuals and the scale of the operation remind us of humanity's drive to explore and push the boundaries, even when success isn't guaranteed. spectator moments, when the fans steal the show. Sometimes the audience creates a moment as memorable as the event itself. From synchronized cheers to outlandish costumes, die-hard fans bring unmatched energy to games and concerts, turning heads with their enthusiasm. Their excitement can even overshadow the main attraction, proving that sometimes the experience is all about the crowd. Extreme weather and natural disasters. The power of water, one of life's essential resources, can also be immensely destructive. From rushing floodwaters overtaking a landscape to powerful tidal waves, water's power shouldn't be underestimated. These moments serve as reminders of how small we are compared to the forces of nature. A modern-day Jumanji, wildlife encounters in urban spaces. Encounters with wildlife in urban areas, like a random monkey in a market or a deer wandering through city streets, can feel surreal, almost like scenes from the fictional Jumanji game. These interactions remind us of the intersections between our urban lives and the natural habitats encroached upon by development. Using technology to track animals. In the modern age, tracking animals doesn't look anything like it used to. High-tech methods allow researchers to tag and monitor animals without traditional traps. These advancements help us learn more about wildlife while minimizing our impact on their lives, a crucial step in preserving biodiversity. Epic helicopter flybys, beach day flyby of a helicopter. The sheer force of its rotors can send sand and belongings flying, turning a calm day into a mini chaos. These incidents are amusing from a distance, but serve as a reminder of the raw power of these flying machines. The power of creative problem solving, unloading coal the easy way. In some industries, problem solving looks a little different. For instance, unloading coal by simply tipping the cart may seem like a shortcut, but it's a practical solution that works efficiently. These innovative yet straightforward methods show how simple engineering can solve complex logistical challenges. The curious case of a broken turbine. Mechanical failures can sometimes create bizarre and unexpected visuals. A wind turbine with a broken blade spinning awkwardly is a sight that draws the eye, turning a functional structure into an object of curiosity. This scene reminds us that even our most reliable technology can sometimes falter in strange ways. Conclusion: celebrating the unexpected wonders of the world. These fascinating scenes remind us of the extraordinary moments that make life interesting, from daring stunts to serene landscapes and incredible technology. Each encounter gives us a glimpse into a different facet of the world around us, whether it's the power of nature, human ingenuity, or the beauty of wildlife. By appreciating these snapshots, we enrich our understanding and respect
Water
for
is
the
a
complex,
force that
vibrant
should never
planet we
be
call home.
underestimated.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through some of the most awe-inspiring moments on our planet. If you enjoyed discovering these breathtaking sights and unbelievable feats, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments, what was your favorite scene, or did any of these moments surprise you? Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, there's always more to see if you're willing to look.